Nate Kunzer, product specialist from Heidolph North America, and today I'm going to be showing you Heidolph's Easy Clip and Vapor Tube sleeve that comes with your Hei-VAP and your HBX package. Heidolph's Easy Clip clamping system replaces standard KEK clips on evaporators. It serves two purposes. The first is to hold your flask securely onto your evaporator, particularly when you're not under vacuum. The second is to help reduce breaking your flasks. How it does this is instead of having to pull hard on your flask to remove it, you can use the mechanical advantage of the clip to gently push it off. The next feature I want to talk about is the Vapor Tube sleeve. That is housed inside of the drive. It sits around your vapor tube, and its primary purpose is to reduce glass on metal contact. They both expand at different rates, and that can lead to your vapor tube getting stuck inside a traditional drive. What this piece does is prevent that differential by having a buffer in between. So you're going to run into less stuck vapor tubes and fewer pieces of broken glass. Thank you very much for watching. Again, I am Nate Kunzer, product specialist from Heidolph North America, and that was the Vapor Tube sleeve and Easy Clip clamping system. Thank you.